the give me the next 10 minutes and I might save you from losing your WhatsApp account, your Gmail, or even your money. You know, the scary part is that most people who become victims never thought it would happen to them. By the end of this video, you will know few simple security habits that can make you a much harder target for cyber criminals. Hello, everyone, and welcome. My name is Olawumi, also called Cyber Jenny. I'm a cybersecurity analyst and security awareness trainer. And on this channel, I help individuals, professionals, and business owners stay safe online. If you use WhatsApp, Gmail, online banking, or social media, then this video is for you. Cyber criminals are becoming more sophisticated these days, but here is something many people don't realize. They don't always hack into your accounts. Very often, they trick people into giving away their access. The good news is that most of these attacks are preventable if you know what to look out for and develop a few simple daily habits. So let's get started. First of all, how to protect your WhatsApp. You know, many people ask me, can my WhatsApp really be hacked? Abba, yes, it can. Your WhatsApp can be hacked. So it happens in many cases, and it is not because WhatsApp itself was hacked. It's because someone was tricked into giving away access. So that's why the first thing I want you to know how to do now is to turn on your simple two-step verification. Turn on your two-steps verification. Let's go into WhatsApp now. Open your WhatsApp, go to settings, tap on accounts, then you see two-step verification. Click on it. Once you click on this, you create a 6-digit PIN for yourself, and also you add a recovery email address for it. Should in case something else come up, you want to log in into your WhatsApp on another phone, so you need a recovery email address so that if any issue comes up, you can quickly recover your 2FA through your email. So that extra layer of security means that even if someone gets hold of your verification code or even your SIM card, they still cannot activate your WhatsApp account without your PIN. So let's make it a habit. Another one is always check your linked devices. What do I mean by this? If you notice on a computer or a phone you don't recognize, log it out immediately. You find these linked devices same way you found the 2FA on settings in your WhatsApp. Log it out immediately. If you notice any device is linked to your WhatsApp and you don't know about it, log it out. And here is one rule I want you to remember. Never share your WhatsApp verification code with anyone. No genuine WhatsApp employee, customer support agent, bank representative, or any admin will ever ask you for your code. If someone asks you for your verification code, it's likely a scam. It's likely a scam. One small mistake can cost you years of conversations, business contacts, and personal memories. So protect what you have. Another one is your Gmail account. Let's talk about it. Think of your Gmail as the master key to your digital life. If anyone wants to access your digital life, the main access is your Gmail. If someone gains access to it, they can reset passwords for many of your other accounts. That's why protecting Gmail should be one of your top priorities. How do I do this? You may be asking, how do I protect my Gmail? Start by enabling Google's two-step verification. Whenever it's possible, use Google Prompts or an authenticator app instead of relying on SMS verification that Google sends to your phone when you want to log in. Next one is Next is review your recovery phone number and ensure that the number on the recovery section is your own number. Check the email as well. Check if it is written correctly. Then check the devices signed in into your Google account. If you notice a device or location you don't recognize, remove it immediately and change your password. Also, review the third-party apps connected to your Google account. Many people grant permission to apps they no longer use. If you don't recognize an app or you no longer need it, remove its access. The fewer unnecessary apps connected to your account, the lower your risk. While we were talking about passwords, let me mention another common mistake. Many people use the same password for their Gmail accounts, Facebook accounts, Instagram, even their banking apps. This creates a very huge risk. If just one website suffers a data breach and your password is exposed, cyber criminals will try that same password on your other accounts, and this will give them access to your other accounts. This type of attack is known as stuffing. Credential stuffing. The solution to this is very simple. Use different password for every important account you have. Again, use different passwords for every important account you have. If you are thinking, how do I keep this in my memory? I cannot remember all these passwords for different accounts. Then use password manager. Once you have a password manager, there are tools that can help you manage your passwords. So if you feel like it is difficult for you, use a trusted tool for password managing. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest reasons people lose access to their accounts. This is called phishing. You know, phishing is not really about hacking computers. It's about manipulating people. Phishing is like using psychology instead of technology. Let me give you a simple example. When someone receives a message from maybe a email, you can receive an email or an SMS or a SMS from either your bank, your service provider, that you can receive an email that your account has been restricted. Click here to verify your identity, or your account has been restricted. Send us your OTP so that we can correct the mistakes or error on your account. You know, everything will look genuine to you. The logo may look right, the colors they use, it may even look right. These days, hackers don't use incorrect grammars. Their grammars are now correct. So if you are thinking like maybe you can get through incorrect If you are thinking like you can get phishing through incorrect grammar or words, you have mistaken, because they no longer use that trick. Their grammars can be correct. Even the website they use can even look very convincing. But know that these are not from the authentic senders. They are not from your bank, neither are they from your providers. So within minutes of entering your login details into any of these links, details have been stolen from you. The lesson here is simple. Never trust a message just because it looks official. Before clicking any link or entering any information, stop and verify it. You can open your bank's official mobile app, type the bank's website address into your browser yourself, and ensure you log in into the right channel. Ensure you put in the right information. Make sure your account is well secured. Or you can even call the customer care number that is on the bank's official website. These few extra seconds of verification can save you from financial loss and identity theft. Remember this, not every link deserves your click. I repeat, not every link deserves your click. Scammers are getting smarter day by day. Scammers are getting smarter day by day. Once they send you fake messages or fake delivery notifications, or maybe they send you fake job offers or even gift offers. Many a times they can say it's 50 years anniversary, call this number to claim your gift, or send 1 naira or 2 naira, send a certain amount to claim your gift. Whenever you receive such unexpected message, ask yourself three simple questions. Number one, was I expecting this? Who actually sent this? Can I verify this through the company's official website or mobile app? When you are in doubt, please do not click. Another one is protect your bank account. Finally, let's talk about money. You know, one mistake can cost you your savings. Start by enabling transaction alerts. The sooner you know about suspicious activity, the faster you can act. Never share your bank passwords, your debit card details, or your OTP, which is one-time password, with anyone, because no legitimate bank will ever ask you for those details, especially on phone or through email. Keep your banking app updated because security updates often fix newly discovered vulnerabilities. Always ensure that you download banking apps from trusted app stores like Google Play or Apple App Store. Avoid installing apps from unknown websites or links shared through messaging apps. This is so common. There are links that can be shared through WhatsApp in your group. You don't just click any link. Whenever it is possible, avoid carrying out sensitive banking transaction while connected to public Wi-Fi. Many of us we like to use public Wi-Fi. We like free offer. We like free offers. So if you are not sure of the network, if you are not sure of the network you want to connect to, if you are not sure of how it is trusted, do not connect. Do not connect. You can get an alternative route. Do not connect. Or you can use VPN. When you want to use a public Wi-Fi to enter a particular, yes, something about payments or something that is about is supposed to be private, you can use VPN. Cybersecurity is not only for professionals, like I have said earlier. If you feel like something don't feel right, stop and think about it. Stop, think about it. Wait until you are sure. Wait until you verify and you are sure. So once again, I said cybersecurity is not only for IT professionals or tech experts. It's for business owners, it's for students, parents, market women, traders, employees. In fact, cybersecurity is for everyone who uses a phone or a laptop or uses the internet. It's for all of us. Before we end, let's quickly recap. First of all, I said protect your WhatsApp by enabling two-step verification and check your link devices regularly. Protect your Gmail because it's the master key to your digital life. Also, I said use a different password for every important account. I also said think before clicking links or responding to unexpected messages. I also said protect your bank account by enabling transaction alerts and keeping your banking information private. Cybersecurity is not about living in fear. It's about building simple daily habits that protect your identity, your information, and your money. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone you care about. Together, we can help more people stay safe online. If you'd like to learn more about protecting yourself online, check out my new ebook, Don't Get Hacked. It is written in simple language and designed to help everyday people stay safe from today's most common cyber threats. You'll find the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. Bye.